Here I have VIVO X60 Pro, and today I'm going to show you how to change, how to disable PIN code from on SIM card on this device. So to do this, firstly you have to open settings, then go to the security section, and here you have SIM card lock. Here you can disable it, but firstly you have to enter it one last time, and now your card is unlocked. And that's it. Thanks for watching. If you find this tutorial useful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel.